So here's my tip. Are you ready? No fighting with their kids, okay? You guys are gonna be good? I'm hurrying. Honey, we're like 2 minutes from the house. Today's video is sponsored by Chico's. How come everybody keeps saying I'm 36?
How old are you?
I'm 35. What? Can we talk? Can we just have a little talk? I'm 36 years old. Oh my gosh. Do you know how embarrassing it is to tell the world you're 35 when you're not, and then you have a flood of comments come in? Yeah, so basically you guys, I've been lying to myself. I kind of think it looked better when it said 35. Yes, I am 36, and I just had to ask Chico's to send me another shirt to make this right. Chico's believes that we grow bolder, not older, and I love that. And I had to do a redo because I have to tell you what growing bolder is not. So being bolder is not being perfect. You can make mistakes and be bold at the same time. I know I do it all the time. You know this because I share them with you. Being bolder also does not mean being flawless. Being bold also does not mean being by yourself. Being bold means you can take people with you. You should take people with you on your journey to growing bolder. So what I want to do is do something really fun. I want to give you one tip that helps me to dress bolder. The way you dress, the way you present yourself to the world is a reflection of how you feel on the inside. So here's my tip. Are you ready? The easiest way to start dressing more bold is to dress bold with a jacket. When you go out to dinner and your friends all come and you start getting a little bashful about all the color you're wearing, if they're pants, you're not gonna wanna take your pants off. But if you're wearing a jacket, you can just take your jacket off and you're more comfortable in your black or in your neutral tones. You can put it on incrementally and just wear it for a few minutes at a time until you feel really bold and like you own that color. Let me give you a few examples using Chico's jackets. And Chico's did not send me these jackets. I looked on their website and fell in love with all of their selection. I bought these on my own. Okay, I'm actually running out of neutral colors in my closet. Apparently I only own 2 neutral outfits. Everything has color. If you want to tone down bold print, grab a jacket. Isn't it cute? I hope you enjoyed those looks and the tip that I gave you. If you want to learn more about growing bolder, not older, check out the link down in the description box. Chico's, thanks again for sponsoring this video and for giving me a second chance to set things right.
Good. At least they're not 3 inches thick.
Chad's taking over the flipping duty. You look...
No, I had like my pancakes chosen out for me. And, okay, no.
And the pancakes for everyone else.
Let's go.
Eve just learned how to wash her hair, and Julie taught her. How do you wash your hair, Eve?
Well, you get your hair wet, and then you take the pink bottle, and then do this. And then you're all done! And then you can play with the bath toys.
I learned how to wash my hair when I was 8. She's learning how when she's 4. Like, when you take the purple bottle, you don't go like that. You just put it on the tips of your hair, okay?
And also I do it on the tips of my hair. No, I just to Santa.
Eve, you didn't rinse out all of the conditioner. You just went like this and left it. It's all in one spot. Bye, girls. Love you. Have a good day. Several of you have asked me where I got my matching raincoat and umbrella. I did an Instagram post on it. I got them at Chico's. They come matching. Okay, we made it. I'm here. No fighting with their kids, okay?
Okay.
You guys are gonna be good?
Give me out my seatbelt.
Let's do this. Everywhere.
It smells like
That's amazing.
This is not how your grandma cans.
No.
Alexa, play Def Leppard. Pour some sugar on me.
Here it is.
April, you got it. That's a lot of sugar.
Take another shot. Where do we go?
Okay, none of that footage is usable.
I don't know what's happening. What is it this jelly, Sarah?
Oh, yeah, we're making jelly from a jellyfish, Russell.
Wow.
Do you want to try some jelly from a jellyfish?
Yeah.
It's good.
I like how Raza goes probably
Okay, you're on the sink. Are you okay if I rinse these down the sink?
It like stains your mouth, but it's really good.
Oh wait, I forgot to put my goggles down.
I have to go so bad.
I'm hurrying. Honey, we're like 2 minutes from the house. Hang in there. Do you want to use one of the bottles? Are you peeing?
Go see this.
I can... Eve, don't look at this. Eve, you should not see this. We have to throw that away when we get home, right? Eve's covering her eyes. Eve's going like this. Eve, you're supposed to be closing your eyes. Well, that was a really, really fun trip. Those girls were the same girls that we went to Thailand with. April and Jordan and Sarah. And we got together and we made jalapeno jelly. Someone came up, it was my sister Julie actually. She came over to the house the other day. I was like, I really need something to give her and I don't have any peaches to offer her. And I remembered that Sarah had given me that jar of jelly, and so I opened up a package of cream cheese and I poured the jalapeno jelly on top of it and we ate it with crackers. It was so good. It was so good. So we're like, let's just make up a whole bunch. So we did, and it was a lot of fun. Russell, did you pee?
Oh no, this is exploding.
Did you pee over it? Russell, did you fill up the bottle?
Actually peed on the cup.
You didn't take the lid off? Russell, is it on the carpet? Well, where is it?
I didn't see it.
You peed on the seat. He peed on the seat. Oh my gosh. Russell, we're home now.
Oh, that's my bus driver.
Kevin left this morning on a business trip, and so it's Monday night here for us tonight as we are filming, and we are doing family home evening, which is just an evening where we spend time with the family. And Chad said that our family home evenings are boring. So I suggested that Chad be the one in charge of family home evenings. So he is looking up a spiritual thought right now, and then he wants to take us all swimming.
So tonight, my lesson was about a man in our church, a very important man in our church that has passed away in January. And he tells a story about when he was a young kid and he had a decision to be an officer in the army or become a bishop. And he wanted to be an officer so badly, but he knew the Lord wanted him to be a bishop, so he chose to be a bishop, and he was rewarded with being the prophet of our church. And that shows, you know, when you have a choice between the Lord's way and the way that you want, you always choose the Lord's way and you will be blessed. Amen.
Thank you for sharing that thought. Okay, are we ready to go swimming? Go get in the...
Wait. Closing prayer.
Okay, closing prayer, and then get in the car
Oh, we need to get
for the swimming pool.
We will say